This video has 195,000 dislikes and counting. Iisang Dagat has gained backlash because of the ongoing dispute between the Philippines and China over the West Philippine Sea claim. It is produced by the Chinese Embassy in Manila, and Camarines Vice Governor Imelda Papin is in it. The CamSur Vice Governor defended the song. She stressed it is about unity. Netizens replied,
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.